You guys want to pause it? But yeah, I'm gonna look at this, guys. Fix all the grounds, clean up everything, wires, look at stuff, because this truck's already getting old to the point that I remember I used to make vlogs like this. That was funny. Back in the day, I used to make vlogs in this truck. Remember I used to drive? Ooh, what happened over there? Gotcha. Broke my shit. And what happened here? You can see my window. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to read that, find some grounds. There's a lot of wires in here that look kind of like. And last thing I need is a freaking fire out in the road somewhere. I don't even have a freaking. Whatchamacallit? Fire extinguisher. Carry a 5-gallon water. Hey, better than nothing, right? I might even do that. I'm so thirsty. I haven't drank water like in a couple hours. So I'm gonna also take a rest, guys. That was cool. We learned how to do all that stuff. We eliminated the ignition switch and what is it called? Key switch. So that's eliminated. Now we gotta go towards. I might keep the old one just in case there's some craps on me, because that's made in USA and that was working. So it's obviously something else. And it's probably a ground, because if it's dead like that, and it used to do it. Oh, it used to do that back in the day like twice, and then it would turn on. And it would do that for the longest time, for years and years, until it started doing it last year more, and this year more. Ooh, I heard a fucking nice exhaust motor. The War Boys, where you at? Where you at? You don't rev it, yeah. Scared of what? Guys. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna figure it out. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.